嗱好啦，客人咧就今晚要請客，咁所以咧我就要褪一褪位喺出邊呢度做啦。做咩咧？咁頭先同個客人傾完有關顏色嘅選擇之後咧，喺呢個工程裏邊咧有一樣嘢係比較挑戰性大啲嘅，就係咧要喺個洗面盤嗰度咧就轉一個窿咧，就俾一個去水浴室嘅去水啦。喺度轉窿咧，我哋一隻特別嘅轉序啦，就係呢一隻。過完個窿之後咧，再喺個斜位嗰度咧，個斜位呢個點解個斜位喺度咧？就係需要將呢一部分咧係嗱，我哋轉嘅時候咧就過呢個窿啦，跟住要將呢部分咧個厚度咧就要過埋落個玻璃面嗰度，等佢平呢度嘅。如果唔係突咗出嚟咧，就長期養水又唔得嘅。咁呢一個盤咧，其實咧客人就話佢哋係喺曾經一次旅遊咧就買翻嚟，就好有紀念價值嘅。咁佢就好中意。咁因為好有紀念價值咧，咁客人就話得唔得咧？有冇嗱？我估嘅佢唔係強塊玻璃啦，咁佢就話即管試下啦。咁但係咧，我哋要轉嘅時候咧，要有一啲小措施去做定啦。譬如我哋要做一個定位儀啦，就係呢啲譬如我哋一定要定喺中間啦，同埋我哋一路轉嘅時候不斷加水。而因為呢個咁有紀念價值咧，其實我係有少少壓力嘅。咁雖然我都唔係第一次轉，但係通常我哋轉啲瓷磚啊，其實廁所啲水箱蓋都轉咗成20幾年㗎啦。即係陶瓷啊，我轉好多嘅。玻璃咧少轉，但係都轉過。咁但係如果要轉咁厚咧，可能感覺上都有寸半厚、寸以厚啊。由呢度去到呢度。咁而家就係試試啦。咁而家咁太太同我講就話，如果整爛咗唔好俾佢老公知道喎。咁我話你唔好嚇我啦，我係有啲緊張啊！如果你咁樣講咧，好似仲緊張咁喎。我而家感覺上即係本來都已經有啲緊張，你咁樣講有少少壓力。不過唔緊要，我講笑啫。咁我就應該估計應該係 OK 嘅。咁得唔得咧？咁而家試一試。變咗啦已經。好。哇！呢嚿頭先嗰個都轉歪咗少少啊，呢個位置咁就呢嚿應該幾個紀念品嚟嘅，打磨佢咧幾靚㗎。咁睇下呢度可唔可以磨一磨佢先。好啦，終於都可以唔使出邊啦。咁啲客人走晒，咁我而家咧就試一試啦。
What can we do with this? Oh, and it's beautiful too.
What can you polish it, and then you can put some for paper staple, right?
Yeah.
I can put some polish.
Something.
Don't throw away.
But that's
Yeah.
Where should we put it so it's
Just
safe?
here.
Oh, you always have a solution for everything.
Yeah. All right. Staple. Put on the floor. Put on the ground. This one don't throw away.
Yeah, I'll put it on my desk as like a paperweight.
Yeah. When I have time, I will.
Oh, sorry.
I will polish this one.
Oh, I don't.
Don't care.
No.
Oh, I don't want to let you down.
I would not. I absolutely would not have been upset. It was my
I
idea.
know.
It was my idea.
But there's only one, right? You can't buy the same thing. This something is only one. You have really a lot.
Yeah. Well, you said you would do it, and you did. So the room's gonna look amazing, I think.
Yeah, with the lighting.
With the
with
lighting.
The painting and then the light and then.
Oh, so I need to look on Pookie for a light.
Yeah, something on the top of the thing you can. If you want one in the here, one there, and that would be what?
Oh, just two wall ones.
Yes. One is for the bookshelf.
And then not have the ceiling ones work?
I don't think. Maybe if need, just a really.
I see. A bar above the toilet and a bar above the painting.
Yes.
Got it.
That will have good atmosphere.
Got it. I got it. Now I'm gonna go clean up it. Now
Okay, we'll see you tomorrow.
Max, I feel terrible that you were out there in the rain.
I don't want to disturb yours. You have.
I know, but you didn't have to do it today.
But this is the most that means I can't really sleep well, right?
Well, I think we're very similar. If I started something,
Yeah.
I have
The
no-
other thing is easy. Just paint the wall. This
Yeah,
is
yeah,
much
yeah,
easier
yeah.
for me, right?
yeah. So this is art, actually.
Yeah, but a bit nervous.
Yeah.
A bit nervous because you tell me this is only one, and then
Yeah, but it
Remember.
was one, but no sentimental value. Yeah.
I know.
Yeah.
I know.
Um,
But anyway,
Yeah.
we make it.
yeah. And then the other thing, like the circle of the bowl, it sort of ties in with the circle in that photograph.
Mm-hmm.
It just so I don't know what that means. Anyway, Max, go home
Okay.
and thank you.
Yeah. See you tomorrow.
Success. I'm very excited.
I'm very excited too.